Hi everyone, this is Payal Datta, and you're tuned into Spiritual Vibrations. Again, a morning revelation. Um, uh, Many people are asking that I get angry. I know I don't want to get angry there. I am telling myself before going there that I will not get angry, but the moment I get into that event and I am there internally, I'm saying that I'm not going to act like that, but then I'm still acting. I'm losing myself, or I'm getting scared, I'm getting depressed. I mentally say that मैं दुखी नहीं होगी लेकिन मैं दुखी हो जा रही हूँ, and whatever. Like whatever you have promised yourself, your conscious mind knows that you should not be doing, but you are still doing it. Why it is happening like that? So I've been contemplating about it even in myself from very long time, and now I'm very sure with my answer. That's why I'm recording it today. So the thing is, what is happening is, um, first of all, this particular person is coming to you because you and he or she or whatever the situation, the person, or the circumstances has the same frequency which you already have within you, which is pretty profound. है उसमें मतलब attraction की power. So आप पहले तो उसको attract कर रहे हो, बट बिकॉज आप इतने बार पैटर्न में, इतने बार रेपिटेशन में आ चुके हो, नाउ द रेपिटेशन इज विजिबल विथ योर कॉन्शियस आइज कि आप हर बार इस तरह की सिचुएशन में आप ऐसा बिहेव करते हो. तो अब आपके अवेयरनेस में भी वो फैक्ट है कि यू act like this, and you know that because you're acting like this, few things are falling short and things are not working out according to how you want things to happen. Like I'm just trying to make it example, giving an example in a very broad prospect, so please fit your situation in that bracket. Now what was I saying is that this person comes in front of you, the situation comes in front of you, and you react in the same way, but internally you don't want to react like that, and you come to me and you say मुझे पता है मुझे ये नहीं करना है मगर मैं फिर भी कर रहा हूँ, and I don't know how to stop myself, and why this is happening in spite me don't want to do it. Someone else is using me. Yes, it is not a negativity thing which is using you. It is using you only because you have this thing within you. And if you don't want anyone to use you for that kind of a feeling, anyone ka matlab it's nothing but the divinity is using your that frequency to maintain the matrix, है ना. ये मैट्रिक्स को मेंटेन करने के लिए आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. अब अंडरस्टैंड करें, आपकी एनर्जी हर पल इस्तेमाल हो रही है. आपका प्रेजेंस इज़ वेरी वाइटल फॉर द मैट्रिक्स टू, इट इज़ लाइक अ टैपेस्ट्री. एक ऐसे मतलब ऐसे तरह से धागे एक दूसरे के बीच में बुने हुए हैं, एक को हिलाएंगे तो आखिरी धागा भी हिल जाएगा, खिंच जाएगा, राइट. सो it's like a beautifully woven environment. One thing is affected in one corner, the entire fabric gets affected. So now in the same way, if you have that quality within you, and I will say it a quality only, क्योंकि for the energy it has no good or bad. For the matrix there is nothing bad or good in it. It's just matching frequency. Okay, so somebody is producing according to the antakarana, or the understanding of the human mind. We have created polarities, because on earth polarity works. The principle of polarity works only on earth. So when the principle of polarity only works on earth, you will see that all the gods are polarizedly designed, right? अगर आप शिव भगवान को देखोगे तो he is having a bull, a snake in the hand, is having weapons in hands, is having a trident in his hand. So and he himself is the most peaceful person, appearing very peaceful. Vairagya is very silent. You look at Durga Devi, she has got 10 arms, and every arm has got some weapon in it, and she's sitting on a lion. And what does a lion means? It's a wild animal, like it's a wild instinct which is cannot be tamed, kind of a nature, right? You cannot tame that nature, and that's the polarity of Durga. You cannot tame her. and you cannot make her a doormat. She has got weapons, so you have to behave in front of her. So if you behave, then she is the mother. If you misbehave, she is the Devi who is going to destroy you. So it is designed by a human mind. The divinity is designed by the human mind, and it is designed by us. It is not designed by the gods, right? And when it comes to us, we see everything in polarity. So we also see God in polarity. Especially in Sanatana Dharma, we see God in polarity. I mean, I'm not talking about Christians or any other culture, but most of the culture, apart from Christianity and um, a couple of culture maybe, I don't want to name all that though. But then, yeah, understand. If we stick to Sanatana Dharma, they really depict it very well that Earth is polarized, and whatever a human man can think, it is always coming out of a polarized thought process, good or bad, nice, dislike, like, hate, love. It's always polarized. There is always a opposite thing working for the other one, so that one thing is visible because of the other thing. If the other thing is walking off from the process, it has to also die, और it would also be disappearing. In other words, die तो बहुत बुरी बात है, बहुत possible नहीं है, लेकिन it will disappear naturally, isn't it? So now what was I trying to say is that how is this, like, why are you, after knowing that you should not get angry, but you're still getting angry in the same scenario, or still feeling depression in the same scenario? So it is happening because you do have a frequency of anger in your own frequency body. So the thing is, you have to first identify what is the source of this anger, from where you are sourcing this anger. And generally, you source this anger, and if you forget about your past life for the moment, of course, every anger is coming from past life. But then, if you try to if you try to find out what happened in my past life, and you go do past life regression, end of the day, it's a speculation, right? ये तुक्का है, कोई कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. हम हमारे बिलीफ सिस्टम पे चलते हैं, और हमने जो विजन्स देखे हम उसको अपना पास्ट लाइफ मान लेते हैं. तो अगर इसको बिल्कुल ऐसे रखे तो हमें नहीं पता. तो हमें क्या पता है? मेरे को मेरा जीवन पता, मैंने ये जीवन जिया, ये जीवन में इतने से इतना तक के मैंने तो जिया है. अच्छा, मेरे पेरेंट्स के बारे में भी मेरे को मालूम है, क्योंकि उन्होंने भी जीवन जिया है, मैं उनसे मिली हूँ, उनको उनके पेरेंट्स के बारे में, तो मतलब एंसेस्टर्स की नॉलेज हमें है. प्लस मुझे मेरे पैदा होने के 9 महीने का भी नॉलेज है, उसके बाद मेरे पैदा होने के बाद से अब तक का भी नॉलेज मेरे पास है. सो वी ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट वेयर इज दिस एंगर कमिंग फ्रॉम इन मी. सो यू हैव टू गो टू द रूट कॉज ऑफ द एंगर, and you have to heal yourself there. Release your belief system, the belief system which has stored anger within it, which has a tendency of getting angry because it is trying to defend itself from some wounds, and that's the reason why you're getting angry. Once you understand what is the root cause for defending yourself, and if you go down to that vulnerable part of you and strengthen that vulnerable part of you, and you yourself feel fearless, then there is no point of fighting with anybody else outside. And that's how you release the frequency of anger from within you. I know it sounds very kind of very difficult to understand, but then understand, it's the Maya who is using you. I don't consider Maya as negative. It's just a tool of divinity, a very it's like an AI. एकदम perfection के साथ अपना काम करता है, उसमें mistakes नहीं होते, उसमें कोई human error नहीं होता, perfection है. So it's like AI, it's a divine AI. Maya is a divine AI, and she does. And why it is a she? Because she's versatile, and she is a filtering energy. It's a filtering, not an energy. In your language, I'll say it's a filtering tool. वो tool है filtering का. So it will never allow a polluted mind to reach divinity. So till the moment you have those tendency within you, she will use it to keep the matrix balanced, and you will become a channel for some other person to experience their karma. So your anger will help other person to release their karma. So अगर इसको बहुत ऊपर से देखें तो मेरा दूसरा वीडियो ज़रूर देखिएगा. मैंने अभी नीचे से ऊपर आपको देखने लगा है, अब आपको ऊपर से नीचे भी आपको देखने लगाऊंगी. what do I mean by नीचे से ऊपर और ऊपर से नीचे? दिस इज़ हाउ आई सी अ ह्यूमन वुड सी फ्रॉम बॉटम टू द टॉप. कि यार मैं कैसे यहाँ पे यूज़ हो रहा हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे इसलिए यूज़ हो रहा हूँ कि मेरे अंदर वो टेंडेंसीज़ है, वो फ्रीक्वेंसीज़ है. अभी किसी इंसान के अंदर बड़े अच्छे सात्विक फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी तो वो सात्विक चीज़ों के लिए चैनल होने लगेगा. किसी इंसान की अगर क्रूरता की फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी तो वो क्रूरता के लिए इस्तेमाल होने लगेगा. यू आर ऑल द टाइम गेटिंग यूज्ड. आप चाहे भी तो अपने आप कह नहीं सकते कि मैं अपने आप को इस्तेमाल नहीं होने देना चाहता हूँ. अगर आप ये बहुत ही डिटरमिन्ड हो के कहते हैं कि मैं अपने आप को इस्तेमाल नहीं होने देना चाहता हूँ, तो आपको अपने अंदर से वो फ्रीक्वेंसी पूरी तरह से डिलीट करनी होगी. एंड फॉर दैट यू शुड डू इनर चाइल्ड हीलिंग. You should do the cleansing of your patterns. You should heal yourself. And the more you heal, and healing itself means that you are releasing those scary patterns in you. The things which you don't want in you, you can clean. I will talk because I don't want to make this video too long for you to get bored listening to me. But then I have a lot of understanding, and I will share it slowly and eventually whenever I really feel like sharing. So I'm not bound by this YouTube concept of हर महीने एक करो, हर हफ्ते एक करो, बिजनेस करो. किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. जो भी फेमस हो रहा है इस मोमेंट में, डिविनिटी वांट्स टू मेक हिम और हर फेमस. इट इज़ जस्ट सीइंग कि वो अपना कर्म कितने शिद्दत से कर रहा है, उसके कर्म में कितनी पोटेंसीज है, कितनी ऑथेंटिसिटी है. अगर कोई इंसान नेगेटिव काम भी कर रहा है और उसे पता है कि वो नेगेटिव काम कर रहा है, नोइंगली वो कितनी ऑथेंटिसिटी से वो नेगेटिव काम कर रहा है, उस इंसान के साथ भी डिविनिटी होने वाला है. इट्स द गेम ऑफ ऑथेंटिसिटी. एंड एवरी ऑथेंटिक पर्सन इज सक्सेसफुल एट द मोमेंट इन द वर्ल्ड, एंड यू कैन सी टू इट. अगर कोई बोलता है ना कि मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ, चालबाज हूँ, चालू इंसान हूँ, मुझे लोगों को लूट के ही अपना बिजनेस करना समझ आता है, तो वो शिद्दत के साथ कर रहा है, उसमें ऑथेंटिक है अपने थॉट्स के बारे में. मेनली तो अच्छे लोग ही सबसे ज़्यादा बुरा एक्सपीरियंस करते, राइट? क्यों करते, आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ज़रूर एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. वीडियो पसंद आए तो मुझे बताइएगा. मेरे थॉट्स आपको सही लग रहे हैं क्या, मुझे बताइएगा. और अगर आपको पसंद आ रहे होंगे तो मेरा नेक्स्ट वीडियो ज़रूर देखिएगा. थैंक यू.